Welcome back for another crypto update video. Bitcoin is $118,000, Ethereum is $3,800, which is very exciting for the leverage trades that we've got open on Ethereum right now. XRP $3.18 and Solana $186, which I have opened some new fresh long positions on Solana. So it's been 9 days since the last update video. I have been off making videos from having 4 wisdom teeth removed, but I'm back in action and the markets are looking amazing. They're looking so poised, it's unreal right now. Bitcoin is just hovering around $118,000. We've seen some sell-offs over the last few days, which is good. It's basically just wiping out leverage positions, that's all it is. Because if you open a high leverage position on the way up and the market is going up over the next few months, within then they can't just have it easy mode where you just open a long position, you sit in the long position the full time and you just ride it into the sunset, profit only. It doesn't work like that. That is why you see sharp candles down the way, and all that does, those sharp candles down the way, just liquidates all of those long positions, those over leveraged long positions. So the likes of 20x, 30x, 50x long positions, any sharp movement down the way and they'll just be wiped out. Then that's when you see the continuation up again. And that's also the reason as well that my longs that I've got open, why they're still open now, touch wood, is that the low long positions, the low leverage, so the 8x, 9x, 10x, up to like 12x is the max that I've got open right now. If it was a 50x leverage, I would be wiped out with any kind of sharp corrections that the market sees. So I've got a few updates to show you and we're going to jump into the charts right now and have a look. Let's go. Okay, so we're over on BloFin and we can see here that the long positions we've got, Ethereum one is sitting really nice right now, over $10,000 in profit, Ergo over $2,000 in profit, Doge 1400, and this Solana one I just opened recently, which is only in $100 profit, but they're all looking good and the market is looking good. I entered these Solana positions yesterday and I've got another kind of buy limit there, but not too sure if that will be hit. But the best one here is the Ethereum trade, and here is the Ethereum trade on TradingView. So as we can see, entry down here, we've got a long way to go, and this one, because it is such a good entry, I would say it's a really good entry. I'm looking to ride this one all the way into new Ethereum all-time highs. This one I want to hold, keep it throughout the bull run as long as possible, because a good way for us knowing that Ethereum is about to have a massive price rally is this chart right here, which is the Bitcoin dominance chart. And this one, to be honest, it's a bit of a thing of beauty. So I did post this one previously on ETH. So this was posted back in June saying that the price would go up slightly higher, just above the 786, and then we'd see a sharp crash followed by a pump up. And if we go back onto the dominance chart, we can see that that is exactly what's happened. So yeah, that is I'll be honest, that is a thing of beauty. Look at the accuracy on that bad boy. The thing with this crash happened down here in the price of Bitcoin dominance, that crash signifies that altcoins are rallying. Also, as you see, as soon as it starts to crash, this is April 2021, it happens at a very, very fast rate, which is why when I drew this line back in June, it was a sharp decline, because as you can see, when it goes up, it's up steady, but then when it drops, it's very sharp, and that is why we see such ferocious rallies in the altcoin market. So yeah, this one is indicating that Ethereum is about to go on a massive rally, and if my previous drawings are correct, then yeah, we should see some kind of backtest, which we have seen up here around 62%. And then after that, as soon as we've seen that, it's down only again for Bitcoin dominance, which doesn't mean that Bitcoin's going to crash. It just means that altcoins will outperform massively, which we've already seen, for the last couple of weeks. And then over here, we've got the DXY chart, which is the US dollar currency index. And this one is looking really, really good. I actually did draw this chart back in 2022, maybe. Yeah, it's been following it pretty well. As we can see here, the green boxes, every time we're in this green box, crypto is having its build run. So the green box is a build run, green box is a build run, and then this green box that we've added in is potentially the build run. If we see a massive crash in the US dollar currency index, cryptocurrency will go to the moon. Yeah, we really want to see the DXY crash from in here. And then if we jump back over onto BloFin, we can see the copy trading, and here we've got some longs open on Bitcoin, 7x long, and these have got really nice entry prices. We can see $110,000. So this will be very nice when Bitcoin Bitcoin is up 120k, 125k, 130k. There'll be big profits on here, but right now we can see around kind of $5,000 of profit on the copy trading. And if you're interested in the copy trading or leverage trading on BloFin, there's a link down below for it, but I'll show you here. This is our copy trading profile on BloFin. So as we can see, we started back in end of March, April. We had the worst liquidations in crypto history, which seen a 17% drawdown, which was amazing. And then yeah, it's been up only since then. After this 17% drawdown and the worst liquidations in crypto history, that is when I decided to go bigger, up my positions higher, because yeah, the risk was so low. It's not crazy leverage, as I mentioned earlier, it's only 7x. So yeah, there's no 20x, 50x leverage that will get you wiped out. Also, as we can see, it's a 94% win rate, which is insane, to be honest. So currently on this profile, we've got $93,000 asset under management, 20% profit share. But we can see here in the highest copiers P&L, this is also mine. So this is Quantoshi CC Steady, which again is our copy trading profile. Access it on this CC Pro link here. Yeah, to survive the worst ever liquidations with only going down kind of 16% ROI was amazing. And this one we've got over $250,000 asset under management, 140 people copying. But next week we have FOMC, so I imagine that the markets are going to get extremely volatile again, which is honestly, it's good. It's a welcome thing, because usually in summer it's very boring, no one's interested, there's nothing going on, it's just boring summer, no volume, no volatility. But this summer it has been exciting. I'll say it's been very exciting. So yeah, we've got FOMC to look forward to next week, and there could be some big announcements coming out there. There's also some group in the US planning to sue the Fed and make them live stream their meetings in the future, so we'll see what kind of drama that brings to the scene next week. But yeah, altcoins look amazing right now. I'm taking profit from my copy trading portfolios, and then I'm reinvesting them into certain altcoins which are at the bear market lows, essentially the ones off the top of my head like LimeWire and GLMR, which I've covered in previous videos. So yeah, if you're interested in altcoins, there's a link down below for Swissblog, or if you're interested in copy trading or leverage trading, there's a link for BloFin down below. But that's all for today's update video, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Cheers.